If you own or manage a commercial business or building, chances are you will need your doors either repaired or replaced sometime. Hi, this is Don King with TropicalDoorRepair.com. We're the experts that specialize in storefront, hollow metal, and all other types of commercial doors and related hardware by either repairing or replacement. Whether it's an unexpected emergency or an annual maintenance, we can help your business with all your entry door needs. Garage door springs broke, panic bar or lock no longer working, door slamming and closer leaking oil? No problem. With Tropical Door Repair, our service vans stock all the tools and parts necessary to repair most doors the same day, some in under an hour, getting and keeping your business going. It's our experience and knowledge of all these parts that allows your door to be repaired and avoid costly replacements, saving you time and money. TropicalDoorRepair.com. Call or click today.